Hello, welcome back. Mission accomplished. We've required beer. So, we used, on the trip here, we used 1.33 amp hours. And, we're ready to go. Hopefully we make it back. Yeah, this drives so much better than when I first got it. I mean, it drives exactly like mine. So you even know, like, I can regen brake to a stop, no problem. Good acceleration. I mean, it's exactly like mine. That was totally a stop. I may or may not have transferred license plates from my truck to this truck because I'm pretty sure had I not done that, I would have gotten pulled over for driving without having license plates. But yeah, we're doing pretty good. She's still pulling. We'll go up to hill here, we'll draw some current. Yeah, you hit 45, 50 or so. Yeah, these trucks, they're fun little toys. I like them. Especially when they work. So there's full regen. See amp hour counter going down. A little dirt here. You can see my truck is missing its license plates. Hopefully the police don't find out I did that. It's not like I'm posting this on YouTube or anything. Here you go. No problems at all. Oh, and of course we have the daytime driving lights on. So hit the parking brake and they go out. Good to go. Anyways, yeah. Oh, I guess I can turn it off here. So the only thing I gotta do, the last thing, is put the cover, belt box cover, back on. And then that will be it. Throw this puppy on there and be good to go. And that is it.